This first incident happened in my hometown. The pedestrian is unharmed. The car only hit the bag. Pay attention to this truck. Toyota Camry fails to yield and turns left directly into the path of a Kia Sportage at the intersection of Granville Street and Walker Drive in Summerside, PEI. It is a busy area and I'm in a big heavy truck. Coming up on a dump and I see a car poking out of the entrance, hoping they see my big truck. Nope, they pulled out in front of me without looking. Another day driving down California streets puts that to the test. We nearly miss a biker who decides he is a pedestrian ignoring crosswalk signals. Not sure if the sun was in his eyes or just wasn't paying attention, but I'm very thankful I realized he wasn't going to stop in time. The back tires of his trailer stopped where his front tires should have stopped.
Sleazy? Oh, racy. Yes, they're very racy. That's a great term. But I don't think that means you went wrong. I mean, some people... No, but I mean, she's not just posing, hey, we're on the beach. Yeah. She's posing like she's posing for some, skin magazine, but she's got her clothes on. Well, does she have like a swimsuit?
Wake up!
Actually, she has a swimmer. What is...
Notice the car in the left lane. He realized he was missing his exit, but still decided to try to get to it. He cut off a fully loaded truck.
Shit. But they still won't. They love turning. Turn lane. Fucking idiot! The fuck is wrong with you?
On the 6th of February 2023, two males possibly already on a stolen motorbike, with one of them breaking my steering lock and started to take it. I had my TV turn on with the CCTV channel on and seemed quiet, so when I went to the toilet, that's when they showed up and I heard the steering lock break. Looked out and saw them and shouted and they both ran like cowards. Called 911. Police came out straight away but no joy. Vile little creatures.
Sorry man, probeer uit te rijden voor het busje. Ik dacht dat je weg ging rijden, denk ik. Nee, tuurlijk niet. Daar heb ik geen zin in.
Hey!
A snowplow operator almost caused a major accident. It was lucky that the driver of the Volvo reacted quickly.
Jesus!
Hey! Jesus Christ.
Funny how this person has a stick figure family on their window. I wonder how they would feel if someone did this to one of their kids crossing the street. The driver of the Volvo was distracted by his phone while standing at the traffic light, and then did not notice or forgot about the motorcyclist standing in front of him.
I need your information.
That's not really your concern.
Driver decides to cut the corner on a double turning lane, almost having me sideswipe her.
Her telling me no. It's just that Jean thinks
The car in front stopped in the middle of the highway for some reason, and its driver decided to get out of it.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Hey, what the hell are you doing? See that?
You can't stop in the middle, mother...
Open the doors.
Jesus
See that?
Christ.
Lady was driving while distracted with her cell phone. Congratulations! You are now famous. It is not clear what caused this maneuver of the camper. The truck was moving in the right lane without changing speed.
Jesus Christ!
My first time riding the back of the Dragon, and I had a close call with an idiot in my lane. Not just a little over the line either. Be safe out there.
Stupid.
I'm cruising along at the city speed limit, and this jack pulls out of his parking space to do a U-turn in front of me without checking his mirror, almost causing me to crash into him. He looks me dead in the face, no apology, no remorse. What do you think of this situation? Who is wrong here? I'm waiting for your opinions in the comments. A 360 camera captured the driver of a car almost hitting the driver on a Harley. It's a pity that you can't hear the direct speech of the author of the video. The deer was practically hit by a truck, and it's good that the speed was low. Why the car was abandoned just like that, without turning on a signal light? The story is silent.
Northbound, I got a car stopped in southbound lane. You cannot see.
Two cars in Waco cut me off in a construction zone to make a last-second exit. Driving along in stop-and-go traffic in the rain, red Nissan Murano is weaving in and out of traffic. Then, they decide to go all the way across from right lane to the left lane, completely ignoring the fact that I'm there. Or that it's stop-and-go traffic in the rain when you should be much more careful. People, a stop sign means you stop and check for oncoming traffic, not just pull out.
Used to hearing that, are you? No. Fuck, dude. Holy shit.
Jesus criminy! Jesus criminy!
This was a very close call, and I managed not to hit them thanks to ABS. I moved over to the left lane to pass, and they did not maintain the proper lane while pulling out in front of me.
Jeez. Holy moly.
Commuting to work as usual, idiot pulls out of a Sam's Club gas station, requiring me to move to the next lane. Not only did he nearly wipe me out, he threatened to knock me off my bike, which he nearly did already.
Idiot! You're insane! That's mental! Eh? Is that because you have to cross the road in front of me, like? Eh? Well, because you crossed the road nearly in front of me and nearly killed me, eh? Oh.
Man, that's the second one that's like that got me today. One was on the side of it. I appreciate it. No problem. I seen you. I said, well, oh well. Thank you. Hey, it's all right.
This happened in a state road shortly outside of Tampa. I narrowly avoided a major accident here.
So 23rd?
16th, 23rd. Right forward. Whoa!
Oh shit.
Thank you for watching and supporting the channel.